at it with another update on some of the gates. Bring your friend to work day today. Going out, kind of a crappy day, but it's Thanksgiving week, so short week, but we're going to try getting a gate hung and the operators installed up in North Wilkesboro, so it should be fun. And then got some more riding and stuff this weekend, so let's get out and do a gate. All right, Enrique, what do you think? You like it? Yeah! Oh, we finally got this one done. We got it wrapped up. We still got to do all the stone works and frame work, but gate works good. Auto sensors, everything all wrapped up. This one, stone here, column, stone, and then fencing all the way through it. And should be pretty good once it's all done. All right, we got that one wrapped up in the rain. Pretty solid. Nothing went sideways or anything. Just need to get the columns done. What'd you think of Bring Your Friend to Work Day?
Pretty fun. We got everything done.
Yeah, we got everything done. So, yeah, Bring Your Friend to Work Day went good. So, we're done with that one and do our Thanksgiving Christmas party tomorrow and get on with it. Well, we made it through our short work week with Bring Your Friend to Work week. Went pretty well. So, yeah, now it's Thanksgiving morning. We're going to go try and burn some calories and kind of exit out our meal plan so that we can actually eat something. So, you ready to go ride?
Yeah.
So, we got bikes and headed down to the Whitewater Center. So, we'll see if we can do like 20-ish miles on the mountain bike. So, pretty good ride today with trying to ride dirt bikes like 2 or 3 times more this weekend. All right, made it. Oh, Whitewater Center, pretty cool place, but the trails have kind of been neglected. We did the triathlon here, so we swam on the river, biked their trails, and then ran the off-road trails, but the maintenance has gone downhill a lot, but it's still a pretty cool facility, and they have like 35 miles, I think, of mountain bike trails. And there's actually quite a few people here for Thanksgiving morning. So, but it's freaking cold. It's 45 degrees, so this will be a fun one. And I got the whole Spark. Actually, it's not that old. Super fun, fast bike. And Taylor's on the Cannondale e-bike. Your hand's cold?
Chilly.
A little chilly. This is all pretty wild. All of the water's out of the Whitewater part. So kind of cool. Free solo. A little too cold for water. All right, we made it halfway. It's freaking cold. Taylor, you cold? It's cold, but halfway, an hour in. So trails are leafy and actually running pretty dry. So across this sketchy ass road. Oh, and a car's coming. We're gonna die. All right, back in. All right, we're going through Panda section, but this whole side, they actually leaf blown. So here we're at the Whitewater Center this fall, winter ride across the road. 10 times better trails, leaf blown, maintained, and kind of a fun area. So yeah, almost done with our ride. All right, we made it. E-bikes are a little heavy. Taylor blew my fork seal.
I did not.
Did too. Look at all that leakage.
You don't clean it ever.
Taylor's just ruining my bikes. Just kidding. Yeah, pretty solid ride. Average almost 10 miles an hour for like 15-ish, but it's cold. Oh, yeah. We're just go get ready for Thanksgiving, and we have our big Brown Mountain ride tomorrow with a bunch of people, so that one's gonna be fun. It's gonna get rowdy. All right, made it. Sun's just peeking out to Brown Mountain Thanksgiving ride. It's 28 degrees out. It's a little too, it's not too cold, but it's cold. We'll see how this ride goes. I haven't been with a lot of these guys that are riding, so I don't know if this is going to be a 3 or 4 hour ride or an all-day event, but pretty much an annual Thanksgiving ride. So we'll see what happens. Just waiting on everyone to show up now. All right, we're in it. It's hard to see how steep it is, but we're out here, that's for sure. I don't know, it's weird. Alright, we're doing a solo brown ride today. Don't know of anyone coming up here, but just trying to get a base ride. Not brown, brushy. Brushy Mountain Motorsport Park. So it was kind of crappy this morning. Hopefully it is a little bit better as far as the rain goes. It was cold and rainy, so I put my rain jacket on. I was getting too hot in that, but we got to start out warm at least, so, and not wet. Once they get wet, then it's kind of downhill. But yeah, we may run into someone we know there, but who knows. But right now, solo ride, so let's get into it. Leafy out right now. I don't think we ran any of this during North Carolina, but dirt is slick. I know this side of the mountain they run a lot of the Battle of the Goats on. Hopefully we don't get into too much of that. Just got a normal moto tire on.
If you ever want to practice hill climb, you go right here.
Oh,
right
yeah.
where that ravine is.
Mm-hmm.
You go straight up a hill.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, because a lot of the Battle of the Goat stuff is on this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Through all of this, so warmed up a little bit. Almost thought about taking my jacket off, but I think we'll be all right. Honestly, I didn't even ask who this guy's name was. I just asked if I could tag along in their group. And you never know who you're going to get to ride with. Oh, fantastic. First one down. That's a nice washout. The ravines. This has gotten deep. Oh, that's probably a couple new scratches. No, everything's good. You're just guessing where the rocks are in this stuff. Man, this is all these rocks under here. Oh, I wish. See how tight that is. I've done that hill once. Oh! I went right up the tall spot.
Yeah.
Oh, you okay? Oh. Well, there you have it. There's Thanksgiving weekend. We mountain bike, rode Brown, did Big Tom's annual Thanksgiving ride. Was talking to some friends, and I think we're going to try and do a annual Christmas ride. Get a little bit different crew of people out there and go have some fun. Take some of the moto guys into the woods, and that'll be kind of comical. But we got that out of the way, and got our brushy ride. Ended up running like almost 3 hours today, so that was pretty good. We got had to help some guy that I asked to tag along with, but had to help him out a little bit. He was doing good, but just got tired. Sounds like he's learning the hard enduro stuff, and with it being so leafy out, it's just kind of makes it a little bit hard to see what you're doing and everything. But overall, it was a good week. Can't really complain. So we're gonna get going onto the work week again, but solid Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys on the next one.